Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for flights on the Expedia application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then click on the home button down below in the left side corner of the screen and click on flights at the top. After that you should select your type of trip, such as return, one-way or multi-city. Then you should select your departure point, type it in into the search bar, select from the results and click on the next box to select your destination. Select the departure date and click on the done button down below. Select the number of travelers, then the preferred class, economy, premium economy, business class or first class. Tap on done and click on the search button and you are going to find all of the available flights. So tap on the relevant one that you are interested in, click on select this flight and then you will be able to purchase your ticket. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.